lush green Cholistan of Mr. Yar Khan. You just imagine what a greenery is here, because just 3 days ago there was a lot of rains, and I have some feelings. You can see on the sky there are few clouds, and hoping the rainy day too. This imagine it can be a tourist place. One side is a lush green, the other side is a high dunes like a mountains, and there is a very small mosque here, and I'm standing very near to the well where this Cholistani people take water from almost